Our today's question is from the factorization chapter, and this is one of the very common and important question of 10 ICSE. See, the question is, using the remainder theorem and factor theorem, factorize the following polynomial: x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. Now see, here the highest power is 3, so this is a cubic polynomial. And we know if the polynomial is cubic, there exist 3 factors. There will be 3 linear factors available. So whenever the power is 3 cubic, to get these 3 factors, the first factor, we must apply the remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? We'll substitute in place of x the values. We don't know which value. We'll try with 1, we'll try with -1, we'll try with 2, -2, and we'll check for which value this particular polynomial will become equal to 0. So this is called trial and error method of finding the value. Say this is my rough work. Say this is my polynomial, so my let fx is equal to x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. I am trying with 1. If I put 1 in place of x, so 1 cube will give me 1. 1 square 1, so 10 into 1 10. Minus 37 into 1 minus 37 plus 26. So 26 plus 10, 36 plus 1 37. So 37 minus 37 is equal to 0. So I am very lucky that on the very first attempt I got equal to 0. So for 1 we got it 0. If the value for which I'll get it 0, we'll take x minus that value, x minus that value as the factor. So value was 1, so we got it x minus 1. If suppose for -1 we would have got it, then this value would have been x minus of -1, that is x plus 1. Anyhow, here it is x minus 1. So if 1 is equal to 0, therefore, so x minus 1 is a factor of fx. Now to get the other, we'll go for long division. We'll divide x minus 1 by x minus 1. We'll divide this polynomial x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. How we divide? We only look into the first number. Only the first number. This is x cube. By what should I multiply x so that I can get x cube? I am telling, do not look into the other values. Only see the first numbers on the divisor and the dividend. With x, I should multiply x square. So x square into x will give me x cube. X square into -1 will be minus x square. That will write below the x square term. Both are same sign. We'll change the sign. This is plus, so this will become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. So cancels. Plus 10x square plus x square will be 11x square. Minus 37x will come down. How can I get 11x square? What should I multiply? I should multiply plus 11x. 11x into x, that will give me 11x square. 11x into -1, minus 11x. Both same sign, will change sign. This is plus or minus, this is minus, so this is plus. This cancels. Minus 37x plus 11x, that will give me minus 26x. And this plus 26 is coming down. Plus 26, this is coming here. So now, with what should I multiply with x to get minus 26x? Minus 26. Minus 26 into x is minus 26x. Minus 26 into -1 is plus 26. So sign change, plus, minus, this cancels, this cancels. So what we get? We get fx is equal to x minus 1 into this. X square plus 11x minus 26. This will go for middle term factorization. We'll try it out here. Fx is equal to x minus 1. We'll do the middle term of this, 26. So this we can write x square plus 13x minus 2x minus 26. So this is equals to x minus 1. From these two I can take x common, so I am left out with x plus 13 minus 2 common, x plus 13. So this is x minus 1 into x plus 13 into x minus 2. That's my answer. Hope you have followed the method. I'll share a similar type of question from this chapter, and you will try that some and you will leave your answer in the